Looking for the perfect hand blender to make your cooking faster and easier? I've tested some of the best immersion blenders out there, from powerful 1100-watt motors to smart speed controls, and here's my honest take on the top 5 models that blend power, comfort, and convenience. Number 1. Immersion Blender Handheld Set. First up, the Immersion Blender Handheld Set. With its powerful 1100-watt copper motor, it effortlessly handles soups, baby food, and smoothies. I love the variable speed trigger. It gives you precise control and keeps splatters to a minimum. The ergonomic grip is super comfortable, and all detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup easy. Pros: powerful motor, smooth speed control, versatile 5-in-1 design, easy to clean, ergonomic grip. Cons: not ideal for frozen fruits or large ice cubes, and the cord limits mobility. Overall, it's a compact, high-performing blender that really speeds up kitchen prep. Number 2, Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. Next, the Ganiza 5-in-1 Immersion Blender. This one's great for quick meals and drinks, thanks to its 1000-watt copper motor and 16 speed settings. The stainless steel blades plus attachments like a whisk, chopper, and frother make it impressively versatile. Parts detach easily for cleaning, and most are dishwasher safe. Pros: powerful motor, multiple attachments, durable build, and easy to clean. Cons: not all parts are dishwasher safe, and the chopper bowl is a bit small. It's a fantastic option for anyone who loves cooking or experimenting in the kitchen. Number 3, Mueller Multistick 5-in-1. Third, the Mueller Multistick 5-in-1. Its 800-watt copper motor with titanium blades handles everything from soups to smoothies. I love the 12-speed control and turbo boost for perfect texture every time. The set includes a whisk, frother, beaker, and chopper, making it super versatile. Plus, the non-slip handle and dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup simple. Pros: powerful motor, durable, multiple attachments, easy to clean, excellent support. Cons: slightly heavy, corded design limits mobility. It's a reliable, high-performing blender that adds serious value to any kitchen. Number 4, Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1. The Braun MultiQuick 7 3-in-1 is a game-changer for meal prep. Its 500-watt motor with easy smart speed tech makes blending effortless. Just squeeze to control the power. The active blade moves up and down for smoother textures, and splash control keeps your kitchen clean. Switching between whisk, chopper, and wand is quick with easy click plus. Pros: powerful motor, intuitive speed control, smooth results, easy to clean, multiple attachments. Cons: corded design limits movement, small capacity for big batches. It's a reliable companion for faster, cleaner blending. Number 5, Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-Speed. Finally, the Cuisinart Smart Stick 2-Speed Hand Blender. Its 300-watt motor makes soups, smoothies, and baby food quick and smooth. I love the 2-speed slide control and the 8-inch stainless steel shaft that reaches deep pots easily. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and cleanup is effortless with dishwasher-safe parts. Pros: powerful motor, compact design, easy to clean, includes mixing cup and whisk, 3-year warranty. Cons: corded design limits movement, and there are only 2-speed options. It's a reliable, no-fuss hand blender for consistent results every time. So there you have it, 5 of the best hand blenders with choppers that make kitchen life easier. Whether you want raw power, versatility, or compact convenience, there's something here for every home chef. Comment below and let me know which one you'd pick for your kitchen, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest kitchen gadget reviews.